Guys, it's literally like so fast right now. Not gonna lie, faster than a bullet train, I think. Or maybe not. It's slowing down. The mountain looks like the clouds. That's one of my brother's name is Novai, and he's a Muslim, and he looks like Hasbullah, by the way. He looks like Hasbullah. He looks like Hasbullah though. Never mind. Oh my! Hey, Hoba! I see it. A cable car. A roller coaster, nigga. What the mama? Yo, what the hell? You see those? You see those little boats? That is the cable cars. Like, that's so cool. I'm gonna zoom in. Yo, oh my god! It's actually the metro, bro. Not gonna how? It's actually the metro. Oh my god! Damn! Zip lines. Okay, yes, I'll like record next time.